Hi students, today we are going to understand the chemical reactions and its equation writing methods. So, in our world so many chemical equations, chemical reactions are goes on. How to write that? We need some steps and rules. In that we are going to understand that what is a chemical reaction. We know some chemical substances like oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, water also a chemical, and then sodium hydroxide like that, hydrochloric acid like acids, all are chemicals. So, these chemicals are reacting with each other and forming some new products. We want to understand that how to write that chemicals reactions in a equation form, because we need that all matters not by words, by equations. A short form is necessary. For that we need to write a chemical reaction and its products with a rule. So, what is the first rule? Always we should write the reactants on the left hand side. On the right hand side, we should write its products which are produced. To indicate that these reactants reacted and then it given this product, we want to indicate as a small arrow head towards the product side. This is the first step we are following in a chemical equation writing. Next, if more than 2 or 3 reactants are present, it should be indicated with a plus symbol with the reactant, and more than one product is present, 1 or 2 products, then we are writing that product as product 1 and product 2 by a symbol plus. This is the second step we are following to write a chemical equation. Next step, a chemical equations we cannot write always with the words. Suppose oxygen is there, oxygen, like a word we cannot write. So, we are using oxygen as its molecular symbol O2. Same like any other chemicals also, it should be written in its molecular formula only. It should be indicated in a sequence, in an order. First we should write all reactants in the left hand side with its molecular formula, and then all products on the right hand side with its molecular formula. We can make that same chemical equation with more informative. So, what we should follow? It is written with its physical state. What are the physical states? It may be a solid, it may be a liquid, or it may be a gas, or it may be a solution. All can be indicated with the brackets below that molecular formula. Next, it is marked with any heat exchanges are happen. Some reactions heat is evolved, some reactions heat is absorbed. This both can be indicated with a delta symbol. A heat indicating symbol can be added upon that arrow. Next, if any gas is evolved in that chemical reaction, it can be showed with the upward arrow for gas. When any precipitate is formed, a solid substance particle which dissolve in that liquid as precipitate, if it is formed, it can be indicated with a downward arrow precipitate can be indicated with a downward arrow. Both are marked if it is present. Next, if any catalyst is used to initiate that to promote that chemical reaction, it can be indicated below that arrow as catalyst. A catalyst is indicated below that equation arrow. Like this, we can write any chemical equation with its molecular formula, with the heat exchangers, catalyst used, and the products formed. If it is gas, upward arrow; if it is precipitate, formed as a downward arrow. These are the informations we can give to make a chemical equation more informative.